And our verse of the day is found in the book of Job 22 verses 28. You will decide and decree a thing, and it will be established for you, and the light of God will shine upon your ways. And this is our verse of the day. You will declare, you will decree a thing, and the Lord will establish it. Yilo lelizwi namhlanje ngicela uvuke ngale kuseni. You will declare anything and the Lord will establish it. Noma ngabe yini that you want to see manifesting in your life, God has given us power and authority to declare things and they come into existence. uNkulunkulu sinikeza amagunya, wasinikeza amandla. Umlomo wetu, it's not just for communication, but imlomo yetu, they are for creation as well. Asigcini nje ngokukhuluma, sikhulume nabantu esinabo ngemlomo yetu, kodwa imilomo yetu iphenduka futhi iba amathuluzi of creating things. We don't just speak for communication, but we also speak for creation. Sinamandla okuthi uma sikhuluma into, bese lento sikhuluma ngemlomo yethu bese iyenzeka, iyadaleka. That is why it's very important to be careful ukuthi iziphi izinto iphimisela ngomlomo wakho, ngoba God has given your mouth creative power okudala izinto ezingekho zibe khona. Namhlanje kusena, I just want to remind you ukuthi umlomo wakho is a very powerful tool okwazi ukudeclare ngayo izinto, umemezele ngawo izinto ezingekho zibe khona. You will declare a thing and it will be established. Yiziphi namhlanje izinto ofuna ukuyibona zimanifesta in your life? Can I remind you this morning, sinikezwa amagunya, sanikezwa amandla ukuthi masimsebenzisa imlomo yethu sithi Baba egameni lika Jesu ngiyavala onke amandla obumnyama emzini wami. As you are declaring that thing in the spiritual realm, kuyenzeka ngoba amandla asolimini lwethu sikhuluma ngalo, sisho izinto bese ziyenzeka. Mangithi Baba egameni lika Jesu ngivula iminyango phambi kwempilo njengoba ngisho, I'm declaring it and the Lord will make it happen. uNkulunkulu uzokwenza kwenze ngoba sinamandla. Be reminded this morning ukuthi uNkulunkulu kunikeza amandla. uNkulunkulu sinikeza amandla to speak things into existence. Vuka namhlanje kuseni and start declaring. Baba, labantwana bami ngiyabathandazela, bazokholwa uNkulunkulu yena yedwa. Vuka namhlanje and start declaring. Baba, lonkosikazi lomyeni onginikeze yena uzokhonza wena wedwa. You are declaring a thing and the Lord will make it happen. Vuka namhlanje, start declaring. Usewuthula isikhathi eside ubona izinto zonakala phambi kwakho ungadeclare lutho, ubona izinto singahambi kahle empilweni yakho and there's nothing you are declaring. Yini oyikhulumayo ngezimo eziphambi kwakho? Wake up this morning, start declaring the word of God. Khulume izwi uthi ngiyavuka namhlanje, no weapon formed against my family will prosper. They are healed ngemvimbo kaKristu Jesu, baphilisiwe emzimbeni yabo. Start declaring, start declaring. Mawungasebenzi, start declaring. Ivula iminyango yemsebenzi empilweni yami, ngoba you will declare a thing and the Lord will make it happen and the Lord will establish it. Izokwenzeka ngoba sikhuleka uNkulunkulu namandla. Ngiyakhumbuza namhlanje kuseni uNkulunkulu unikeza amandla. Vuka ungabusakhala, start declaring and the Lord will establish whatsoever that you are declaring. Share with me your verse on our Facebook page and on our WhatsApp line 073-709-1991. Mangbuya, recharge your spirit.